Berlin, cold still, deceptively calm. The city is scarred, the people hardened. The sirens are a daily drum. But today, something feels different. Air raid sirens scream, echo across the city. At Tempelhof Airfield, pilots sprint. Mechanics rush, guns are armed, engines roar. Radio crackles. Enemy formation detected. Hundreds of bombers inbound for Berlin. Routine, or so they thought. Intercept, shoot, return, done hundreds of times. But today the sky had a secret, one they never saw coming. By 1944, air defense had become a rhythm. Bombers, fighters, return, predictable. Berlin was untouchable, or so they believed. And then they saw it. Not bombers, not slow lumbering targets, fighters, sleek, fast, agile, unstoppable. Impossible, American fighters over Berlin. This wasn't a dream, it was real. The P-51 Mustang, unremarkable at first, until the Merlin engine transformed it. Speed, range, endurance. It could fly to Berlin, fight and return. The impossible was now reality. The hunters became the hunted. German pilots, once kings of the sky, were outmatched. Every attack dissolved into chaos. Old rules no longer applied. The sky had changed. Germany's assumption bombers could never be escorted this far was dead. Berlin, Hamburg, Leipzig, Munich, all vulnerable. 69 German fighters lost in one day, 11 Americans gone. Germany bled, faster than it could recover. By 1944, elite ACs were gone, replacements barely trained. Some had less than 100 hours in a cockpit. Meanwhile, American pilots flew with calm precision. Masters at work. The Luftwaffe had to strike fast, retreat faster. The Mustang, it had all the time. Every battle, a trap. Every interception, a death sentence. Months passed, oil, factories, rail lines, bombed to dust. The Luftwaffe didn't defend, it survived. 13,000 pilots lost in a year, veterans gone, replacements doomed. Even the Me-262 jet arrived too late, bases destroyed before it could strike. By late 1944, the sky belonged to the Allies. No bomber flew unescorted. No city was safe. The Mustang didn't just win dogfights, it rewrote the rules of air warfare. Range, speed, power, but most of all, freedom to strike anywhere and return home. May 1945, Europe's war ends. Berlin lies in ruins. The skies, no longer German. The P-51 engines had written a new chapter. Innovation, endurance, courage. On that morning in March 1944, the Luftwaffe lost more than a battle. It lost the sky. It lost the future. The roar of Merlin engines marked a new world. A world where no distance was ever safe again.